Okay, you can go ahead and start taking it off. Hold it tight. Down. Yeah, it should come off. Don't limit wrist it because you're gonna break the bolts. You gotta hold it good. Hold it, just hold it down. You don't have to pulse it that much. Just make sure it's in. Yeah, see? Make sure they're out of your way too, because you're gonna end up being working there. You gotta do everything carefully, dude. Switch the ratchet to a 14. You got all the sockets over here? You have to press the button in the back to take it off. There you go. You can do that and then loosen the other one too now, the bottom one. Look for it. Up. Be careful because you'll hit other metal. You can tap it more with the mallet. Tap it harder. You're in like the weirdest position right now. There. Now you should be able to do it. Okay, now you can take them both off completely. Don't forget the drain pan, so you can spray them clean. Once it gets loose enough, then you start using your hands. Careful for the brake line, you don't want to break it, okay? Or else you can get brake fluid all over you. There you go. Now hang it up in the back, on something. There, see? And remember what I told you about the leverage? You can grab another wrench too. This one's, you have to make sure you know which one's the bottom, which one's the top. Now what you want to do, you can stop that now. Hold the bracket. I was going to tell you to hold the bracket so it doesn't fall on you. But too late. Now pull the whole pad off. Be careful. If it's stuck, you might have to use a hammer. Hit the sides of it. Yeah, hit the sides with the hammer. But you gotta be careful. You gotta hold the pad. It's gonna fall. There. It should come off now. Good. One's different than the other. So which one does that one? No, I know, but look at it. You have to study it. Look at it. There's difference in it. Sure. That's not it. The way they look. Okay, put this one out and I'll show you the difference. It's a bushing. That's called a bushing. Yeah. You gotta remember which one goes on top, which one goes on bottom, okay? Okay, now this, take off those clips. Just pop them out. You can use the flathead if you need to. You shouldn't need to. Throw them into the bin. Face it down, because you don't want no brake cleaner getting into those holes. bolt farther away. Okay, now you want to spray all those with the brake cleaner. From the other angle too. Shake up the camera a little bit. Don't let it drop, okay? Yeah, wipe it good. Wipe off the old grease because it's got like grime and stuff in it. And use your finger to move it around. Yeah, you gotta use your fingernails to kind of pop it back in place. Don't rip it. And you can put a lot, that's fine. Spread it around really good. You gotta be careful with it. Remember, there's only one part that you're not supposed to have it on. Where did that? Is it fitting properly? Push it all the way in. Make sure that it's not sticking into the channel. Remember where it goes? It goes around the rings. So just put a glob and then use your finger to spread it around. Here, that's good. So put the back one in first. And what I told you, you have to use it to kind of push these back. And then you can set it in. Look, you put everything like this. Okay, is it good? Everything look good? Okay. Now you can put the pistons on. Make sure it's lined up. It's lined up. And use your feet to help push it up a little bit on the sides. Put your feet on the sides. Okay, star pattern still. Tommy, you did your own brakes. Do you think you can do brakes from now on? You don't want to, but you know how. Good job. High five.